How to change chat settings on Among Us. In this video, we're going to quickly go through Among Us and we're going to see how you can change your chat settings in this game in the easiest and most simplest way. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to start up and boot up your Among Us. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to go through with all of the things that it provides you. And if it asks you to sign in, just go ahead and skip through all of that. And once you have skimmed through, you are basically going to go into your settings. All right. So I'm simply going to add my date of birth. And once we have done that, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go over to your settings where you should get your chat prompt. Okay, so we're simply going to wait for all of my resources to load up, and once it's done, go over to settings. Now here in settings, the only chat settings that you're going to have are censor chat, which you can either turn on or off. You have colorblind text that you can turn on and off, and then friend and lobby invites that you can turn on and off. Apart from that, you don't really have a lot of chat settings. You have graphic settings, data settings, where you can go into the privacy policy and change a little about your chat, but you don't get a lot over there. The main chat settings are right here where you can turn on censor chat, okay, and you can turn on the colorblind text. Apart from that, the other settings are not relevant to the chat. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.